morning, boys and girls. This week we're going to be looking on comparing first-hand and second-hand accounts. A first-hand account of an event or a topic is based on the author's personal experience. So we're going to be looking for those words, I, me, and we. If we see these words, that's going to tell us it's a first-hand account. Some places that you can find first-hand accounts are diaries, autobiographies, and letters. Now, if we have a second-hand account on an event or topic, it's based on an author's research. And we're going to see he, she, and they. This can be found in encyclopedias, biographies, and textbooks. So let's practice. If I tell you all about my first time on the roller coaster, really funny story, and your classmates decides to draw a comic strip about it, would that be a first-hand account or a second-hand account? So you're telling about my experience. You'd be like, when Mrs. Perez went on a roller coaster, she got so sick to her stomach. So that key word, she, you're telling about my account, would be second-hand. Now, if you read an autobiography, and it's about their life account told from their point of view, then it would be a first-hand account. When I was younger. So, and this is diaries, autobiographies, okay? In the OLS this week, you are going to be investigating the point of view. You're going to be looking at a mystery, the mystery of the missing hamburger. So, a lot of times mysteries are called the case. So, you're going to be examining the text to identify how the narrator tells the story. So, you're going to determine if it's a first-hand, second-hand account, okay? So the mystery of the missing hamburger has a first-person narrator. So I'm going to read this to you, and I want you to think about who's telling that story. From the mystery of the missing hamburger. It was 7 on Saturday morning. I was asleep because, well, it was 7 on Saturday morning. The phone rang, and I wanted to ignore it, but something told me not to. That something was Mom, who always wakes up before dawn. She was in the den exercising to a new fitness show on TV. Answer that, Juan. I'm just getting a good sweat going, she said. So we can tell this is a first person because look at, there's the key word I, right? So whenever we see I, we know that is a first person. So you're going to be going through and finding that text evidence showing the I statements to prove that it is first person, okay, the first person point of view. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions, please make sure to email me, let me know, and please come to your homeroom sessions. Don't forget to use your pathways, so follow them. Do you understand it? Yes, do this. You don't understand it? Do this, okay? Great resources. All right, see you guys later.